Today I will show you how to remove the background from an image in an easy way. First thing I want to do is go ahead and open up Google Slides. Once I open up Google Slides, I'm going to click blank because I would like to start with a blank presentation. Then I am going to get rid of the add title and add subtitle bars because I want to start with a clean canvas. In this case, in order to add an image, I will go into image and I will search the web. And in this case, I am looking for a kidney table. Or I could type in, you know what, let me just put transparent behind it. There it is right there. Don't see anything. Let me take out the word classroom. Just doing some searches, you all. I see a few pop up. Oh, kidney beans, huh? Alright, so nonetheless, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and do a Google search because sometimes we'll find what we're looking for on Google directly versus through the third party that I was looking at. So I'm going to type in kidney table and I want to put transparent. See what pops up first. Some of them have transparent backgrounds, some of them do not. I'm going to click images and find one that I would like to use. And in this case, I am going to use this one. Let's see how this one is. Alright, so I'm going to use this blue one. And what I would like to do is right click and save it as whatever I want to save it as. And I'm going to actually save it as table. And I'm going to notice that I saved it under my downloads. So there's a site called Remove Background. But you're going to only type in Remove BG for background. This is the easiest way to do it. I want to upload an image. Once I upload an image, it's going to remove the background. So click the blue at the top where it says Upload Image. I would like to go to Downloads because that's where I saved this particular one. And it automatically removes the background. Automatically. So all I need to do is download this new one. And get back to my original document. Now I want to go back to insert the image and I want to upload it from my computer. And here it is. It has removable BG on there. So I'll know that one from the other one. And here it is. Now if I move it off the screen, you can see. So while you all are with me, just real quick, let me go ahead and put a background on this document. Choose image and I want to do Google image search. Once I do Google image search, I'm going to do wall and floor background. And I want to choose, let me see if I can find one. It really doesn't matter for the sake of this, but I am going to use this one. And I will hit insert. So now you have your done. You have your, you know what, this one is not working as well, this background, because you have to choose a background that gives you more floor space when you start adding this, because it'll look like it'll make it look like the table is on the wall, you all. So you get the idea, but let me just go back and pick another one just real quick, you all, just really quick. I am scrolling back up and I'm going to choose that one this time and hit done. So there you have it right there. And I get to adjust it however I like. Okay. And if I put it off the screen a little bit to bring it down, if you notice that the chairs are off the screen, it's okay because once you present it, it'll give you that look right there. Okay. So that is an easy way to remove the background from any image that you get off of Google and you do a search and it has a background on there. So thank you all so much. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you all on the next one.